I'll stand or fall in what I've written on this napkin right here.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ken Grobe in a sudden death paper napkin match. We never thought it would happen, but it did. 3, 2, 1.
Listen. Listen to the silence of this room. Listen. Listen to the creaking of these floorboards, of the rafters, of the shiny ribbons hanging from those rafters, of the life occurring outside that door. Outside the door of the makeout room. The lovers outside the door of the makeout room. The homeless outside the door of the makeout room. Is that an SUV blasting lowrider? Outside the door of the makeout room. And listen, hear that sound? It's a sucking sound. It's the sound of Nate Waggoner sucking so hard. That's all I got. That's
all you had! At the last second, Nate Waggoner sucked so hard!
You guys, literally, I just drew a picture of a turtle with sunglasses on. It says "Cool Turtle." This is a picture of a cool turtle. F. Ken Grobe.